In the greatest name of Almighty Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim, welcome back to the Dr. Najam Lectures. In this video, we will talk about the auscultation of the heart of the infant, a part of the cardiac exam, in which we will listen the sounds of the heart using the stethoscope. In normal children, S1 and S2 sounds are considered to be the normal sounds and typically called the lub-dub sound. S1 indicates the closing of the AV valve, while the S2 indicates the closing of the semilunar valve. In order to listen the sounds of S1 and S2 of the heart, we use the stethoscope and put the stethoscope on the third to fourth intercostal space of the child and listen the sound of the heart. Listening to the heart need a lot of practice, but the most important thing is that we have to find out the abnormalities, which brings the attention of the examiner for the further investigation. As we hear that the S1 and S2 sounds both are considered to be the normal sounds, but along with that, sometimes we hear other sounds also, like the S3 and the S4. If we talk about the S3 sounds, S3 sound could be the normal and sometimes heard into the smaller children. Again, we put this stethoscope and listen this sound. It is usually heard at the apex of the heart, and it is also identified as the gallop. After that, we have another sound that is basically known as the S4 sound. And S4 sound, it is basically known as the concerning finding, or the most important sound regarding the pathological aspect. So again, we will listen this, and it is basically the low frequency sound. It is usually identified as the arterial contraction portion of the heart pumping cycle. It indicates the severe hypertension and the potential cardiac myopathy. Also, we have the other type of the sounds, such as the pericardial friction drop. It is basically look like the same when we took the piece of hair and put between our two fingers, rub it and listen it. So we put the stethoscope and listen the pericardial fraction drop. It indicates the pericardial fraction, and also it indicates the post-pericardectomy. And in the last, what we have the murmur. It is basically some sort of the opening and the connection between the two heart chambers, or the heart chambers, and it is basically due to the abnormal function of the valve in that. So this was all about the cardiac exam or the auscultation of the heart in the children. I hope that you like this video and do subscribe to Dr. Najam Lectures.